fast and secure payments across social media via blockchain technology. Rapids is a cryptocurrency project facilitating the sharing of Rapids through web browser and social media enabled widgets. At this time, it is available on three big exchanges, the Crex24, GravyX, and also on the Byrake network. So you can easily purchase this token directly from these three exchanges. Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Expert Studio. In this video, I will share each and everything regarding the Rapids project, and I will also highlight all the major factors of the Rapids RPD. So before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio so you are not going to miss any of the quick update. First of all, what is Rapids? As I told you, you can even describe the RPD as a community oriented and decentralized blockchain that is focused on integrating widgets into mainstream social media platforms to facilitate the sending and receiving of payment among friends, family, colleagues, B2C, B2B, and B2B and e-commerce. So this is basically the Rapids all about. In this video, the basic thing is I will tell you that how you can basically take advantage of from the Rapids project. As I told you that it is available on the Crex24, so you can easily buy this token directly from here. Here you can see it by yourself. It is very low at this time. The price is very low, so you can easily buy this token. And the next thing, which is very important, basically the key factors and key features of the Rapids. The first one is basically you can say the masternode and staking. The second one is social media integration, the tip board, the debit and cold storage cards, full transparency. These are the key factors of the Rapids project. And here you can see it by yourself that on the Byrake exchange and also on the GravyX.net and also on the Crex24 it is available, and right now the trading is ongoing. So that is such a great thing regarding this project. Now I will tell you that how you can earn Rapid. That is such a great thing. Easily. First of all, I will share the link in the description. So you just have to do only one thing. You have to click on the Earn and Partners. Then you just have to click on Earn RPD. When you are going to click on this, here you can see it by yourself. With its staking and masternodes, Rapids network offers an attractive opportunity to generate a passive income. Simply download the desktop wallet and set up your own masternode. That is such a great thing. Here you can see it by yourself that you can easily download the wallet and you can start the staking, and with the help of staking you will be able to earn maximum number of RPD coins. So it is such a great thing. But what are the updates? This is awesome. Seriously, as per my knowledge, it is awesome. Soon mobile wallet, the tip board and large exchanges are coming in the future, and very soon you will be able to buy the RPD with fiat and mobile app. Yeah, you can what I'm saying is 100% correct. Here you can see it by yourself. Very soon you will be able to buy with your fiat currency you will be able to buy the RPD coins, and you also have the chance to hold your RPD coins directly in the personal mobile wallet. So it is such a great thing. And if you have any type of questions, you can directly message on the platform, and also you can join them on all the social media because the team is available for you 24/7 and they are going to answer each and every question of yours. So these are the major factors and the basic mission, and you can also say the aim of the Rapids. Rapids aim to conjoin the two advancing fields of social networking and blockchain technology through the utilization of the Rapids coin. Rapid coin will enable the user to send money across all social media platforms and directly exchange cryptocurrency into fiat currency. So this is all about regarding the Rapids project. Now the basic thing, basically, and at the end I will definitely give my own, you can say, prediction regarding the Rapids coin. As per my point of view, here you can see it by yourself. First of all, on the charts we are going at this time just to tell you each and everything regarding the Rapids coin. Here you can see it by yourself. It already hit up to 0.000622. So very soon after the big exchanges, and also because at this time the team is in development, because they are developing a new mobile app for you where you can hold your RPD coins, and also you have the chance to buy the RPD coins directly with the fiat currency. So it is such a great thing in the crypto market, and with the help of that and also with the help of the big exchanges, definitely the price will go up to 0.05 or 0.07 in the future. So it is such a great thing. If you are going to hold this token, definitely it will give you so much benefit. And I will share all the links, especially the CoinMarketCap link, and also I will share the main link of the rapidsnetwork.io, where you can find all other links like Medium, Telegram, Instagram, and all the links where you can talk with the team and you can basically question each and everything regarding the platform, and also about the stacking. So they will definitely answer you. So it is such a great thing regarding you can say the buying of this coin at this time, because at this time the price is low and you have the chance to make bundle of money. Thanks a lot.